Hi, we are Wärtsilä, and we're on a mission to enable sustainable societies with smart technology, and we've got solutions today. Say hi to the future. This is the marine industry's first integrated hybrid power module, a whole new benchmark for efficiency and sustainability.
Wärtsilä High is a result of vast experience in mastering single components and integrating them into one system.
It combines engines, energy storage systems, and power electronics. And the brain? The new sophisticated energy management system. Reducing emissions in a competitive world isn't easy, but it is a necessity. So what's in it for you? Well, Wärtsilä HY delivers on many levels. Lower fuel costs, minimized exhaust emissions, enhanced system redundancy, less maintenance, smokeless operation, improved noise and vibration levels, greater operational flexibility. To quote one of our customers, that's a lot. And just to be clear, the HY isn't just a theoretical concept, we are already delivering it. North Sea Giant. After retrofitting a Wärtsilä hybrid system, the huge construction vessel has an estimated emissions reduction of, ta-da! Victoria of White. Going into service with our hybrid technology in 2018, she became the most environmentally sustainable ferry ever to serve the crossing between the Isle of Wight and the English mainland. Viking Princess. The first ever platform supply vessel where batteries have replaced a generator, saving her about a ton of fuel each day and reducing around 15 to 20% emissions. And the highlights go on. Through tailored design and scalability, the Wärtsilä HY concept is suitable for all kinds of ships, and it works equally well on both new builds and retrofits. The Wärtsilä HY is an important step towards a smart marine ecosystem. The future is now. Join the movement.